Hey there you guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today hair is brought to you by RiRiHair.com. They were kind enough to send me their RLW01 wig in the length 20 inches, density 150%. Hairline comes pre-plucked and the knots come pre-bleached. So the lace is a soft Swiss lace. On the inside of the wig, you get a lot of parting space. If I am correct, I believe this is about 6 inches of parting space. If I'm wrong, I would definitely leave it in the description box. I leave all the details to this wig in the description box. You get 3 combs on the inside, and the back you get your adjustable straps. Like I said before, the hairline does come pre-plucked and the knots do come lightly bleached. I did go in and customize this wig a bit. In the front, I took about 1 inch of hair, 4x1 amount of hair, if that makes sense, just to add a little dash of color in the front. I've seen this little highlighted look going around for a while now. I've seen Diona Marguerite do it. I was like, let me do it one day. So I went in with some Wella bleach and 40 volume developer. I added Olaplex to bring down the developer. And then that's how I got my little highlighted look in the front. Let me also not forget to mention this hair is very silky. Another great thing about this wig is it comes with a removable elastic band, so it hooks on like a bra strap. It looks literally like the back of your bra. And at first I was like, I don't need this. I might add my own elastic, but come to find out, this elastic is very, very comfortable and secure. So for the color in the front, I left that bleach on for about 20 minutes and then I washed out the hair. When I washed out the hair, I didn't experience no running dye. Also, shedding was super duper duper minimum and I had no tangling. So today I'm going to be using my Babyliss flat iron. I'm going to put that on 420 degrees, and I'm going to take this Wella light oil and just put some on the hair. The hair isn't dry or anything. I just wanted to add a bit of a shine. I didn't want this wig to come off too dull. Alright you guys, so what I'm about to do right now with the scissors and cutting my hair, I advise you do not do this. I was not supposed to do this. My mind wasn't here. I repeat, do not bring your hair to the front, split it and cut it. Unless it's like super long and you're just like, you know, trimming off your ends. But for a bob, I do not recommend doing that because it will come out super duper choppy. So I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't know what I was doing just now. Like, I have cut so many bobs in my life and I don't know what in the world just made me do that. Like, I can't even believe I did something. So if you've done this before and it came out great, then kudos to you, but I can't believe I just did something so stupid. I know that I'm supposed to part my hair going down to my ears, put that back there, put that back there, and then after that I'm supposed to put the back in a rubber band or ponytail, and I'm supposed to cut it. Like, look at this cut. What? So we gonna try to fix this together, just in case you made that mistake like me just now. Like, I have a lot going on in my life right now and my mind is just not here. Like, it's not here. So let's see if we can fix this together, you guys. So first I'm gonna take my tail comb, and from right here, from the back of the parting, I'm gonna part it down to like kind of behind my ear, like right there. Okay, now that I got that out, I'm gonna clip that in the back, and then I'll find where the other part is at, right here. Go down. Okay, all right. So after that, it's gonna look like this. I'm not sure where it's at. Bring it down like right there. After you do that, I'm looking where it's at, and I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit more. All right, so right there should be good. I hope this works, because I kind of recommend you using a rubber band. Okay, so I actually found a little tiny rubber band. I wonder if I could double it. I'm gonna double it, and I'm gonna put it like right underneath where I got it stopped. All right, so now I'm just gonna take the endless clippers, turn it on, and cut it. Alright, so that didn't go too well because the rubber band got loose. Now I lost where I was. I don't know what is going on tonight. I don't know. I don't like it. I need to get my mind here. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Oh boy, it's still too long. Actually, I didn't even cut it right, you guys. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so one side is not too bad. It's just this side that's a little longer, so I'm just gonna go in and cut it up some more. Right here's pretty much my end results, and the cut I would say is not too perfect as it could be, but I did the best I can and I am dying to sleep. It is like 4 a.m. I would have to put this on like my mannequin head on a tripod later because it's kind of hard trying to fix it together with you on camera, and I don't have no way to put my tripod and blah 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 blah, but I tried. So there is zero tangling with this hair. As for shedding is super duper minimum. I love like the texture of this wig and just how dark the color comes. It just looks so beautiful. As for the cap size I got is a medium, and I picked the right size. It fits snug. Even if it is a little big, that's when like the elastic band comes in handy, because the elastic band just makes it feel so snug and secured. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys.